everyone! Today's video is a little bit different because it doesn't exactly come with any measurements, and that's because I was cooking with my grandma. My grandma is now in her 80s and has been cooking for years, and like many other women her age, she learned to cook just by averaging and not necessarily using any measuring cups like we would, for example. So this was just a day cooking with my grandma and learning from her, and I definitely wasn't about to put any pressure on her to measure things out. But with that being said, I at least put the ingredient list in the description box below, so you will have access to that. In this video, my grandma was teaching me how to make mango sour. Now, mango sour is almost like a spicy mango sauce that you can eat with Guyanese foods like pulari and egg ball, which I'm going to be making a video for soon. So let's get straight into the video. I brought my water to a boil and I've added my mangoes to it. I've also added 1 whole chili pepper and 2 cloves of garlic. Once everything is boiled, in other words, when all of the ingredients have become soft, I'm going to take it off the stove, strain it, and start mashing all of the ingredients together. I'm also going to add some vinegar to the mixture at this point as well. Nanny?
Ready then you throw vinegar?
Yeah, but I don't know if I throw enough.
No, you got to throw vinegar.
Oh, so you want it like a liquid?
Yes, because it's sour you make, honey.
Oh, so it has to be like a sauce, like how
Yeah,
sauce,
yes.
like a sauce.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a sauce like you make. Liquid. Let me see. You know what? Take that dipper. Not the dipper, the got me where you go TV. Yes, like mash up like that. Like, you got to put your mush sauce.
Sure. Okay.
Yes, because remember it's sour. You see here. Sugar. I put a little bit water.
Oh, Mama.
Yes, honey. You know, remember sour?
Yeah, it's sour. That's why you gotta put sugar.
You get a nice. A little more pepper, no?
More pepper?
You must know if you want it.
Yeah, you can put a little more
Not
pepper.
much though. I put a little bit of this. Okay.
More sugar.
Yes, you got to put more sugar. I'm gonna put a little bit more.
Body water, body water, body
Yes.
water, body water.
You know, when you put on your thing now, your what the thing in there, blender, you just throw it in and like blend up a little bit and you see it nice. It turn like like powder then.
So you could put this inside, hey?
You want it?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, alright.
You see?
There's like one liquid there.
Yes, this is it. This is the sour you just make.
Try it then. Tastes alright, Nanny.
Put you on. You want a little more sugar. See? You want a little more sugar.
A little more, yeah, but it's good now.
It tastes nice. And the sugar, more sugar you want because the sauce is alright for it.
Good day now.
Yes. So far, I know. It tastes nice now.
Yeah. Now it tastes
Now
good.
it tastes like
now
sour.
it tastes like sour. After how much throw, mix. Now it tastes like
You
sour.
got to taste it to know that how it is. All right. Pick up your bottle down.
Good. Never think now.
Now you got to see where you want. Get container, pull them up in bottle. But you got to get plastic bottle, not beer bottle.
Plastic now here.
No beer. No glass bottle, just plastic.
Why plastic and not glass?
Because it glass goes freeze up and go burst.
Oh, my mama.
Oh, my mama.
Boss.